Hi everyone, my name is Keshav Kumar and this is part 7 of Data Analytics for Everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at what is data wrangling, tools for data wrangling, and data cleaning. First, let's look at what is data wrangling. Data wrangling, also known as data munching, is an iterative process that involves data exploration, transformation, validation, and making it available for a credible and meaningful analysis. Basically, it's a process widely used in data analytics. Typically, it's a four-step process that involves discovery, transformation, validation, and publishing. The discovery phase is all about understanding your data better. The objective is to discover. The next phase, transformation. Transformation forms the bulk of data wrangling. It involves normalizing, structuring, cleaning, and enriching data. Validation rules refers to repetitive code or programming steps to verify consistency and quality of your data. For example, keep running the cleaning code again and again to keep getting better results and more accurate results. This brings us to publishing, the fourth and final step. Publishing is basically a transformed and validated version of the original data that you had. All data ready to be analyzed. Now let's look at tools for wrangling data. First, let's start with basic software everyone has heard of. Microsoft Excel. It has a bunch of features and its built-in formulas let you clean your data thoroughly. There are now add-ins maximizing the consistency in a variety of areas. Now, let's look at Python, a programming language. Python is a programming language mainly used to build databases or structured data. It's more platform independent. Coding from scratch in Python could take a long time. That's why we have some of its basic libraries, like Jupyter Notebooks. Not only does it fasten the process of programming, but it also makes the code a lot more simpler. This makes Python very user-friendly and easy to use. Some analysts like to use custom-made APIs or application interfaces to fasten the way they analyze the data, and this is perfectly fine. These top-tier tools not only help in data analyzing, but everything related to data itself. All the tools you see today are mostly developed by Python or C++, leaving no dents in the performance and quality provided. Lastly, let's take a look at data cleaning. According to a Gartner report on data quality, poor quality data weakens an organization's competition standings and quality. Increased data can lead to false conclusions and therefore ineffective decisions. And in the business world today, that can be really costly. In some cases, data can be corrected through data wrangling tools we talked about before. But if they cannot, then they must be removed from the data set to provide accurate results. Data cleaning and data wrangling are correlational. They both depend on the availability of the another. They both depend on each other. A typical data cleaning workflow includes inspection, analyzing the corrupted data, cleaning. If the data can be cleaned or fixed, then it should be fixed. And verification. After cleaning, verify the data, especially clean data, to make sure that the problem has been fixed. If you can't find any incorrect data, then that means your data has been fully cleaned. If we take a look at this through data wrangling perspective, then we can skip these steps, as data wrangling has its own steps and different way of approaching this. If we take a look at this independently, just as data cleaning, then the steps need to be followed, otherwise the process won't work. Okay, this was it for this video. In the next video, we'll be looking at what is data mining, tools for data mining, and many more. Thank you.